Light, form, space, access, community, privacy, and view are all elements that make up our design ideals. Initially, we approach a project with all the elements being equal. As the project evolves, each element takes on its own identity. Each project responds to these elements differently, according to its unique location, program, and the client's needs. The notion that you are only as good as people around you is reflected by our successful projects. We have had ongoing business relationships with our structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and civil consultants for over 25 years, and they are the best in the business. On time and on budget are the key things we do best for our clients. Richard Clements & Associates. Call us today.